Hey everyone, it's Linnea with a video for Thermal Web, and this week we are collaborating with the Ink Road stamps. And today I actually have two videos for you. So this is the first. I'm going to be using the Decofoil Metallics gel on the left, the black ice, as well as the Ink Road Chin Up Buttercup stamp set and some pixie spray. So let's get started. I sprayed the back of this swirly floral pattern stencil and with the pixie spray, I let it sit for probably about like 45-60 seconds, just until it gets tacky. And then I pressed a piece of cardstock onto the back of it. And now I'm just going to use a palette knife along with the Black Ice Decofoil Metallics gel and just give this a nice even coating of that gel. It goes on really nicely and really smooth, kind of like a soft butter or a buttercream icing. So I'm just spreading that all over, and then I can peel that stencil off really easily and check out this background. I am in love with this Black Ice Metallics. It has that deep dark black color, but it already has that metallic accent to it. It's gorgeous. So I've stamped out some of the elements from the Chin Up Buttercup stamp set from the Ink Road. I actually think I stamped out all of the elements from the stamp set. I gold heat embossed the sentiment, and I plan on using my scissors to trim around that sentiment to make that the focal point of my card. But I did want to have some of these little flowers and the little hexagons peeking out from behind my sentiment. So I'm just going to use my alcohol markers, my Spectrum Noir Tri-Blend markers, to color in these flowers in shades of yellow. And I am kind of using my lighter brown colors near the base of the petals, and then I'm blending out with my citrus blend, just using the darkest yellow, and that kind of gives me that deeper color towards the middle with the lighter color towards the outside of the petals. So to adhere everything together, you can see here I have arranged everything the way I want it to be on my metallics background. Now I'm using some white foam squares from Gina K Designs for Thermal Web, and I am just going to stick these all over my sentiment, and then I'm actually going to double it up. And in that little glue bottle there, I have some iCraft Ultra Bond liquid adhesive. This adhesive is super strong, and so I know that it will adhere to the metallics. I wasn't sure how the foam squares would stick just on their own, so I went ahead and used the foam squares in addition to the iCraft Ultra Bond adhesive. I have glued pretty much everything down here, and then I put some acrylic blocks on top just to hold it down, and I'm going to use my tweezers to add my sentiment on top, and that is basically my card. I love how that sentiment with the gold embossing shines against the black metallic from the Decofoil Metallics Black Ice gel. So I'm using my Spectrum Noir sparkle pen just to add just a little bit more glitter to those flowers. And then that is it. I'm just going to shine this up in the light for you so that you can kind of see, look at all that metallic shine on the Decofoil Metallics. So if you want some more information about this card, including product links and additional photos, head over to the Thermal Web blog. And thank you all so much for joining me for this Thermal Web collaboration with the Ink Road stamps. I'll catch you guys later. Bye!